Good morning, everyone. This is Abby with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 5-foot by 10-foot single axle trailer. It's got a 5.5 gallon per minute cold water pressure washer and a 7 gallon per minute soft wash system. It's going to be a 12 volt soft wash. So if we come in a little bit closer, we'll take a look at that 12 volt here first. Have all your soft wash hose, which is the yellow hose, on a 200-foot Titan hose reel with all the mechanics underneath. And this soft wash system is on a batch mix. So what that means is that 50 gallon water tank here in the center, that's going to have your bleach mix in it. And this dipstick off to the right, you can drop into your batch mix and pull your bleach and apply that onto the house or the roof. And then whenever you're ready to rinse, you take that dipstick out and switch it to the tank in the back. That 100 gallon tank is going to be your water tank, so then you can rinse. And that 16 gallon tank here in the center, that is actually going to be for your downstream soap injection through your pressure washer back there on the other side. And we'll take a look at that once we go around. If we continue down the trailer, we have two of our general pump hose reels. Your top one is going to be for your high pressure hose, that's the gray hose. And then the bottom is going to be for your inlet hose, that's going to be that Flexzilla hose in that bright green. If we come around, you can see the drop gate in the back. And we can make our trailers with or without the drop gate. Some people prefer to have the ramp on it, some people don't want one at all, and other people would prefer to have it shortened, which we can do as well. Get a better view of the back of those general pump hose reels. Your 100 gallon water tank there in the center. Then we have our tank drain right here, and that'll give you the ability to fill buckets, wash your hands, whatever you need to do while you're on site and have access to water. And this is going to be your pressure washer. This is going to be a 3000 psi 5.5 gallon per minute belt drive with a Comet pump on it. It's got the Honda engine. And then in that box is going to be a battery charger for that 12 volt soft wash for the customer as well. So he is good to go. He's already got some jobs lined up for today. So once he hits the road, he's going to be making some money already. If you guys are interested in something similar or have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.